How to use Bybit. Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode I'll be showing you how you can use Bybit. So in order to use Bybit, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you'll have to download or install the application and create an account. In my case, I've already done it, but creating an account is very simple. All you have to do is just provide in the information as they've asked, and after done entering the information, then it's going to ask you to verify your identity. So basically, to verify your identity, it's going to ask you to provide in your government issued ID or state ID or a license, and you need to verify your face. Once you've done that, you'll be eligible to trade on Bybit. However, if you've not verified the account, you won't be able to trade on Bybit. So you can just go ahead and check the information only. Then you can only check the information or just go to the trading platform and all that. However, if you want to go ahead and trade on Bybit, then you need to tap on the trade icon located in the bottom right hand side, and from here you can go ahead and select the asset that you wish to trade with and just select buy or sell, and that's basically how you can do it. And likewise, if you want to withdraw the amount, then you need to go to the asset, and here you need to go ahead and tap on the withdraw button, and then you need to set up all sort of information and you'll be able to withdraw the amount as well. And likewise, if you want to do some other stuff such as deposit the amount, convert, transfer, whatsoever, from here you can go ahead and do all sort of details. So in this way you can use Bybit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.